everyone. This is Priyanka and you are learning English with me. For entering any of the foreign universities, an IELTS exam is now necessary. That means the importance of English has become more and more and more and more. So we will be learning how to use certain words on basis of their impact level. First of all, what is impact level? Words may mean similar stuff, but they have different types of impact on people who are listening to them. Also, it depends on the type of people who are listening. So let me give you a comparison example of love, like, and care. I repeat myself: love, like, and care. These three words have similar meanings, but they change according to the person to whom these words are being said to. So where exactly can you use the word love? First of all, it can be used to confess love to somebody you love, like, hey there, I love you, I really, really love you. That way. Okay. With the person's name, of course. It can be used to talk to your parents. That mom and dad, you have taken care of me for so long. I will always continue to love you in my good and in my worst conditions. You can say that. Then you can use the word love for small children, like your nephew, niece, all of them, who are small, under the age of 9. Especially be careful when you are using the word love with the opposite gender, because it may be taken wrongly. Okay? And it may earn you slaps which we don't want, right? So let's go ahead and understand that point. If you use love with a lady, now it's a good thing if she loves you back, not saying no. But if she doesn't, and you use the love in a different way, and she understands it as using the love for romance love, then you're going to be in trouble. So what do you do in such situation? We'll see that. But I told you where you can use love with small children under the age of 9, especially for opposite gender children under the age of 9. You can use love for your parents, for people who are very closely related to you, but still be careful. After some age, especially after the age of 14 or 15, you need to be very careful in using the word love. This word has a high impact on person because it is associated with the word lover. And lover is a word which means the person who you are with on honeymoon, or the person you usually wish to marry and have that fun with. So we don't want that to come in the wrong way. And especially not in the profession sector. Guys, please avoid the word love in the profession you work. Okay? So, let us go for the word like. Now this like word is less impactful. It is a word which can be used with your friends. I like you very much, yaar. You are a nice person. Thank you very, very, very much. You can say this sentence to anybody anytime. It's cool. Then you can use the word with anybody who you know, like very closely. Maybe a neighbor, maybe an ex-neighbor, maybe your teacher, you know. But still, the word like and the word care. People are always confused where to use the word like and where to use the word care. So why is the word care so important? When you are saying like, in a way you are expressing care. But like slowly advances towards love. So at workplace, you should never, or you should avoid using the word like. Maybe you can use it with colleagues, but never with seniors, never with your boss, never with people who are MDs, directors, no. Absolutely not. You can use it with children above the age of 9 also. But here again, what happens is, they like to use the word like with the people who are of the similar age as they are. For example, if there's a 10-year-old child, that child would like to use the word like for a similar 10 to 12-year-old generation they are with. not with you. Okay, it's natural. It's natural. But you can use the word like freely as compared to love. It doesn't have that much impact. So I'll give you 2-3 examples. Thank you for doing this for me. I like you very much. I can say that to my colleague. Thanks for coming to the party today. I like you so much, so much. I can say that to my friend. I like you very much, bro. I'm going to miss you after this marriage because you are going to marry and not give me the similar importance. I can say that to my brother. But I have to be still careful because, like I said, like advances towards love in impact. But here you can use it with your brother, sister, they will understand. Okay? Now, care, the most free word, the most least impactful word in the three of these. Let us see what care means. Care means I give you importance enough to look at you. Care means I care about you in a way that you don't get hurt. I care about you that you stay alive. I care about you that I will do work for you. I'll honestly complete all my work for you. I will remain dedicated for you. That is care. Now, care is a word which can be used from small children all the way to your boss, all the way to the person who is absolutely on the deathbed, everywhere. So, if I have a child, okay, in the sense a child as in a niece or a nephew who has crossed the age of 12, and I just want to say, and he's from the opposite gender, okay, I say, I care about you a lot. Really, I do. Honestly, I do. I am not confusing this person now. Because they are young, they may be confused. So, you have to take care on the impact of the word, not use the word love at all. You can use the word like, and you can use the word care. In the professional front, I can use the word care. Boss, I care about you a lot. I will always do my best for this company. I will go ahead and give my best performance. When I say that, I can do that. Somebody's on the deathbed and they're gonna leave this world. I can still say, I know that you have completed the right age. You are above the age of 90. But still, I cared about you. Why did you go so soon, you know? I cared about you a lot. Why did you go so soon? I can say that. Here it's not insulting. It is showing that I cared about this person. Not making fun of anybody. If you use the word love here, it will become insulting. Even if the person is your grandfather. No, you cannot use the word love here, even if you want to. We all love our relatives. We all love our grandparents. But on the deathbed part, you cannot use the word love. You have to use the word care. There are certain rules which are there in English that you cannot break. This is one of them. A child who is just born, you can use the word love there. There is no need to take care of the word love there. Just born. Oh, I love the sweet smile that this child has. May it be a boy or a girl. Doesn't matter. Because the person is just born. Same way, a person on the deathbed can never be subject of the word love. The person will always be the subject of the word care. Okay? So, this is the difference between the three words love, like, and care. So let us continue the series Impact of Words. This was part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope that whoever is watching this has had some information. I encourage you guys to write down a few sentences by yourself. I'll tell you one more rule that I think is very important. If there is any friend and you love something that friend has, you can use the word love there. Adil, I love the speakers you have. Here you are saying you love the thing, not the person. So in such conditions, material conditions, you can use the word love. Okay? Yeah. So, I hope that you guys practice. If anybody wants, they can write in the comments that what more they wish to know in the impact of words. Also, I will keep on making videos and I will keep on informing about IELTS. Okay? So, see you guys in the next one. Thank you.